Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use social media for earning money. First, identify your unique passion and expertise to define a profitable niche. This helps you stand out. Next, research popular social media platforms to find where your target audience spends their time. Finally, choose one or two platforms where your content will resonate most effectively, focusing your efforts for maximum impact and growth. Once your niche and platform are set, focus on creating high-quality, valuable content consistently. Aim for at least 3 to 5 posts per week to maintain visibility. Use compelling visuals and clear calls to action in every post to guide your audience. Actively engage with comments and messages, responding within 24 hours to build a strong, loyal community around your brand. Now, let's explore diverse monetization avenues. Consider affiliate marketing by promoting products you genuinely recommend, earning a commission on each sale. Offer digital products like ebooks or online courses, which can provide a passive income stream. Partner with brands for sponsored posts and long-term collaborations, ensuring authenticity. Also, utilize platform-specific features, such as subscriptions or tipping, to directly support your work. Finally, consistent growth requires tracking and adaptation. Analyze your social media analytics regularly, perhaps once every 2 weeks, to understand audience behavior and content performance. Adjust your content strategy based on this data and emerging trends to optimize engagement. Continuously learn new strategies and tools to expand your reach and influence, ensuring your earning potential keeps growing over time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.